Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to change background color without affecting text in Photoshop. Let's begin. Step 1. Select the Magic Wand tool, right click on your mouse, click Magic Wand tool, use multiple selection and select the text. Then press Ctrl J for duplicate layer and select the down layer background. Click this icon, solid color, change the color without affecting text. And step 2, click the background, press Ctrl J, then again apply the same formula process. See this? Click OK. Now we can see this, change the background color. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.